The ResMed product development team has been working overtime. They only released the AirCurve 11, a new BiPAP machine, a couple of weeks ago, and now they've given us a new mask, the AirFit F40. Don't you know this is the CPAP industry, ResMed? You can't put out 2 products in a month. The CPAP market computer can't handle this much excitement. We're still on dial-up, you know. And I suppose you want a review on the AirFit 40 as well. Right, well, I'll be with you in a bit, right after I try to get the industry back to normal again. Wish me luck. Okay, I fixed it. We hopefully won't have any more product releases in quite a while, just the way the CPAP industry likes it. Now, all jokes aside, there's a lot to talk about with the new AirFit F40 full face mask from ResMed. It has some significant changes from their earlier AirFit F30 model. First, let's look at the headgear. There are 3 sizes available: small, standard, and large. And the sizes are color-coded by the strap at the back of the head. There are 4 adjustment points, 2 on the strap that joins near the temple and 2 on the strap that joins near the jaw. So there's no top of the head adjustment strap this time around. To put the mask on, fit the cushion under the nose and then gently push the headgear over the head and clip the straps into place with the magnetic clips at the bottom of the frame. If you use a pacemaker, it's best to go with a mask that avoids magnets, but for those that don't, the magnets are time-saving and convenient. Next, let's look at the frame. The main thing to note here is that the sides of the frame have been designed to cross the cheek in a low arc, avoiding the area near the eyes, which is a welcome feature, especially for folks like me that wear glasses at night. So you can do a bit of nighttime reading or TV watching until you drift off. And glasses or no glasses, no one likes straps pushing on the skin under their eyes. The frame has been coated in a soft fabric that feels comfortable for long use. But probably the biggest noticeable difference is the cushion, which on the F40 is 100% silicone. There is no hard plastic at all, and it attaches to the frame at 2 anchor points, which are easy to fit. Time will tell if the pure silicone cushion limits mask leaks as well as the old style, but if so, this will make things way more comfortable to users and will suit those of you that side sleep down to a T. Final points on the cushion. It comes in 3 sizes: small wide, medium, and large. And there is a fully detachable vent ring that pops into the front of it, ready for the mask tube. So there are sizes for all, and the fact that the ring detaches is helpful when it comes time for cleaning. The elbow and short tube attach to the vent ring in a quick release way. The tube is molded into the elbow this time around and not separable from it. The tube is able to swivel, but it isn't the ball and socket joint that some other masks have, but the range of motion on the AirFit is still flexible. All in all, the AirFit F40 is a great choice for users who prefer to use a full face mask or for those just starting their CPAP therapy journey. The jury is still out on the pure silicone mask cushion because we're not sure yet how long it will last before it is likely to stretch or puncture and cause leaks. But in our currently limited testing, it has been great, and it certainly makes for a comfortable and convenient mask. Head over to RespShop.com to get your hands on your own AirFit F40 or any other CPAP equipment. And until next time, friends, sleep tight. Bye-bye for now.